हेलो एस्पिरेंट्स, कैसे हो आप लोग। आई होप आप लोग अच्छे होंगे और आपकी तैयारी भी बहुत अच्छी चल रही हो। इस वीडियो में मैं लेकर आई हूँ करंट अफेयर related to science and technology, and the topic for today is My Bharat Mobile App. So I will going to explain about this app through MCQ. So first question is, who launched My Bharat mobile application in New Delhi on 1st October 2025? Correct answer is Dr. Mansukh Mandavi. Second, My Bharat mobile app is an extension of which existing initiative? Correct answer is My Bharat platform. Third, what is the main aim of My Bharat mobile app? Correct answer is B. Enhance accessibility of youth leadership and engagement services. Fourth, which of the following is not a features of My Bharat mobile app? So AI assisted resume builder, ये फीचर्स है. डिजिटल बैजेस एंड सर्टिफिकेट, ये भी फीचर्स है. मल्टीलिंगुअल सपोर्ट, ये भी फीचर्स है. विच इज नॉट अवेलेबल? करेक्ट आंसर इज सी. ऑनलाइन पेमेंट बैंकिंग सर्विसेज, ये नहीं है. Initially, My Bharat mobile app supports which languages? Initially, Hindi and English. Next, what is the target age group for My Bharat initiative? Correct answer is B, 15 to 29 years. Next, as of October 2025, approximately how many youth registrations were recorded on My Bharat app? The correct answer is 1.81 crore. Next, how many organizations had registered on My Bharat platform by launch of mobile app? Correct answer is 1.2 lakh. Next, which infrastructure is integrated with My Bharat app to support rural and remote youth? So the correct answer is C, Common Service Center, CSCC. Next, when was My Bharat platform originally launched? Correct answer is 31st October 2023. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Requesting you all, please subscribe to my channel so that you will get the notification of my next video. And please click on the like buttons and share to your friend as much as you can do, just to motivate me and to support. Thank you all.